Just a little short video here on how to make all this combine and work together to know how it all intermingles together. So we got camera 1 on the program, and we're going to do camera 3 on the preview. And what this gives you the capability to do is now when you select camera 3, you can now take the joystick and do what you need to do and move where you need to go and zoom in as you need to zoom in. Just go ahead and get a nice drum shot here. As you can tell, the more you zoom in, the least amount of movement on that joystick will really move the camera around. You can hit the slow button, and thus it will take a lot more movement of the joystick and more fluent and less choppy movement of the camera. So now that we have camera 3 set the way we'd like it in the preview, we can take the T handle, watch our screen here, and we can transition into the shot of what we have on camera 3. Thus, camera 3 becomes the program, which is on this screen and on this screen. We now have a preview of what we had before, so now we can go back to camera 1, which is our preview. We do camera 1, turns it orange. We can do preset 5, and it will take us to the keyboard, or we can do preset 3, which takes us to the piano. You can then do your zooming in and out of what you want it to do before you show it. And once we have a good shot of Miss Martha Ann, that's usually who's sitting there, we can now take our T handle and switch it to Miss Martha Ann. We can do the same thing on camera number 2. We can go to camera number 2, make sure that this is where it gets tricky, is this program is camera number 1, but you have to remember that this controller is set to camera number 1. So if you accidentally think that you're fixing to be moving the preview, and you wind up moving the program, and you've just really made everybody's heads at home lose it. They're gonna freak out. So always remember to make sure you're on the camera that you want to be on, which we want camera 2. We're gonna do preset 4, which carries us over here to the organ. We got preset 7. Nope, doesn't have anything yet. Preset 6 doesn't have anything yet. Preset 5, which is a wide open shot of the whole church. Preset 1 carries us back into the stage. Preset 2, a little bit closer. Preset 3 carries us over here. So that's what we want. We're going to go back over here to Brad now instead of Miss Martha Ann, because Brad's over here singing. So we're going to get this positioned about where he's going to be at and get it zoomed in nice and tight on him. We then take our T handle, or in this case we're going to take our auto button here, and it will automatically transition to Brad. And as you see, the piano's back over here now. And that's how all of this gets tied in together and works with each other.